it's me Smash Bros 4339 here, back with another video. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to screen record your iPhone 6 to iPhone 11. So this counts as iPhone 6, 6s, 6 Plus, 7 or whatever from iPhone 6 to iPhone 11. So this is a free method I should say, on how to screen record your iPhone. You don't have to download anything from the App Store. All you need is your settings. So first up, you want to go to your settings, go down until you find Control Center. Then you go to Customize Controls. Then you scroll down until you find Screen Recorder. I do not have it because I'm using my screen recorder right now. So if you find Screen Recorder on the, I think the left side, there's a plus. There's a green plus or something like that. You tap on the plus or something like that, and it will automatically be sent to your control center. The way on how to access your control center is, if you have an iPhone 6 to iPhone 8, you scroll from down to up. If you have an iPhone X or iPhone 11, you go from top right and swipe down to find your control center. And then there will be a box that will have your screen record, that has a circle, then inside there's another circle. You tap on that, then it will say to wait 3 seconds. Then it will automatically screen record your whatever you're doing. It will pick up your screen audio. So let's say you're playing a shooting game, it'll pick up your shooting game and other stuff like that, but it won't capture your voice. So right now I'm using my computer to voice record. So yeah, that's the bad part. If you want to voice record, then you want to go install another app. But for this tutorial, there's no downloading. So this is a completely free way for anyone to screen record their iPhone 6 to iPhone 11. So if you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below if you need any helpful tech tips like computers or phones. Okay, bye.